Hey guys, welcome back dito sa channel natin. Today guys, meron tayong bagong platform dito guys. Isang platform kung saan ay meron tayong marireceive dito guys ng mga rewards. And meron silang bago dito guys, which is we can also farm here experience and pwede natin siyang i-convert naman din guys into real coins. Ang maganda rito kasi nga meron tayong mga tournament na pwedeng salihan at saka meron tayong mga naghihintay na rewards dito guys pag nakasali and nanalo tayo sa mga tournaments dito. So tara guys, tignan natin tong Coliseum. So by the way guys, sa lahat na naghahanap pala ng trading bots dito, crypto trading bots, actually napakaganda ng trading bot nila dito sa OKX. So ang link nito guys ay ilalagay ko sa description natin. Ang maganda rito guys kasi meron tayong spot, meron tayong grid, smart arbitrage, tapos meron din silang mga popular bots din dito guys, katulad nitong flywheel, features DCA, spot DCA at saka signal bot guys. Kung makikita natin dito, new to trading bots, try smart pick to quick wins. Ayan guys, pwede daw tayong pwede tayong smart picks to try ang kanilang platform, to try ang kanilang trading bot. By the way guys, libre ang trading bot nila dito, wala tayong babayaran. Syempre kailangan natin dito ng funds para maka-join tayo dito. So, susubukan natin to, makikita nyo dito guys. Ayan, so pwede tayo mag-start nito. Ayan guys, makikita natin today's peak is 161%. Yung kanyang APY dito. And we can click naman guys, pwede natin itong i-click. Ito, view details. Ayan, at saka we can create bot naman din dito guys. Kung makikita naman natin siya guys, ayan. Ito yung mga kumikita dito sa bot nila. Ayan guys. So created 24 hours ago, 5 days ago. Ayan, so makikita natin dito. So 3 days ago, at saka kumikita na rin sila dito. So nice one guys. This is very good na rin. Kaya kung gusto nyo pa ng iba din, meron din sila dito guys. Smart Pick. Meron din tayong Sol USDT dito. Ayan. So, ito yung iti-trade guys or matitrade yung grid na gagamitin nila. So, kung magke-create kasi tayo, ayan. So, meron din tayo dito guys sa baba, bot trader ranking. Ayan. Ito yung mga nagtitrade dito ng bot. And also, you can follow them naman din. Kaya huwag kayo magpapali dito guys. This is good rin. Kung gusto nyo kumita dito daily, withdrawable naman siya daily guys. At saka wala tayong locking dito. Anytime we can cancel yung ating tinrade naman din dito. So yun guys, ilalagay ko ang link nito sa description natin. So by the way guys, ang link na to ay nasa description natin. And kung gusto nyo i-try to, libreng-libre naman din to guys. Pwede tayong kumita dito just by playing games here. So maganda rito guys, yung mga na-farm natin dito na experience or XP is convertible siya guys kasi nasa Web3 siya guys. So tara, tignan natin to. Actually guys, maganda to guys. Ayun, makikita natin. Ito yung website nila, Rise to Victory. Join our platform to compete against gamers worldwide in the thrilling online tournaments. Enhance your gaming skills, enjoy epic battles, and earn exciting prizes. Ito yung maganda rito. So kung meron kang talents, actually maraming mga games na available dito guys. So ito yung kanilang website, enter a new era of online gaming. Compete for prize pool, active fight against cheating, at saka stake and earn. Meron silang ganito din guys. And we can also link your favorite games naman din dito. Ayan, so you can also establish your own tournaments naman din dito guys. Ayan, so paano nga ba mag-start dito guys? Actually, yung ginagawa nila na XP farming dito is puntahan natin na sa Telegram nila. Or dito pala sa Twitter nila guys. So ayan, so makikita nyo na dito sa Coliseum nila na Twitter, and as you can see here, the Web3 Gold Rush XP farming in Coliseum. So ayun, so sobrang dami na nga mga guys nag-join dito. So ano nga ba to? Paano nga ba daw mag-join dito guys? Paano nga ba daw mag-farm dito sa Coliseum ng XP? And ano nga ba daw to guys ang XP guys? So ang XP, first of all guys, ang XP is parang token ata to guys na mako-convert natin siya after na ma-release to siya guys or after na ma-list siya guys. Yan, token generation event. So as Coliseum approaches its token generation event or TGE, the XP you're accumulating now will translate into significant allocation later. The equation is simple. More XP today, bigger rewards tomorrow. So while wala pa silang TGE guys, mag-ipon na tayo dito guys ng XP. So paano nga ba daw makakuha dito ng XP? First of all guys, paano mag-start dito guys? Meron silang daily spins dito. Ayan, nakakakuha tayo dito ng mga daily spins. everyday yan siya guys. Tapos secondly is meron tayong referral system dito. By the way guys, to support this channel, ang link natin ay nasa description. Using my referral guys, mag-register kayo guys. So ayun. So we can also earn here just by referral naman din guys. You can invite your friends to join here. Meron naman din tayong QR din dito. Meron tayong tournaments din dito guys. We can also farm XP dito just by playing games dito sa tournaments. So Colosseum's tournament system reward participation regardless of outcome. Even if you don't secure victory, you still earn valuable XP just for competing and participating. This goes for raffles too. So means this creates a win-win scenario where competitive play directly contributes to your long-term position in the ecosystem. So ayan guys, napakaganda, this is good, libreng-libre to guys. Wala tayong babayaran dito, kikita pa tayo sa paglalaro dito. Guys. And then meron din tayong social engagement dito na quest. Ayan siya guys. So meron tayong following Colosseum on social platform, engaging with content, and participating in community activities all generate XP. These micro actions may seem small individually, but collectively they represent a significant opportunity to strengthen your position before TGE. Ayan, may mga posts sila and community activities na nag-generate ng XP. Kaya wag kayong magpapahuli. Register na kayo guys. Paano nga ba mag-register dito? Click nyo tong register guys. And then you can connect your wallet, or kung meron kayong Google guys na account, pwede nyo i-connect yung Google account nyo. So click natin to. So ayun guys, na-register na tayo. Signing in na rin tayo dito. So set natin yung username natin guys. Ayun, so ito yun guys, yung spin the wheel or yung wheel guys na sinasabi ko kanina. Ayan, so ayan, 25 XP yung nakuha natin. So makikita natin guys, ito yung mga tournaments na which is pwede tayong manalo ng 4,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos. Ito naman yung iba, Indonesian rupee to guys. INR, di ko alam kung ano to, Indian ata, Philippine peso. And yung entry fee natin guys is free guys, and you can start here in 3 hours. Ayan guys, just by joining here, pwede pa tayong manalo dito ng prize pool, ganito guys, at makakuha tayo ng experience naman, katulad nito guys. Ayan, tapos makakuha pa tayo ng experience. Pwede tayong mag-join dito actually. Click natin to. Ayan, tapos gagawin natin player registered. So actually punong-puno na pala to. So dapat guys, paunahan din kasi to. Paano daw mag-register? Fill out this form to be assisted in registration. So yun, nandito naman guys yung mga kailangan natin. Requirements to compete, player must complete the registration process. And then tournament rules, andito naman guys. So pwede tayong magbuo ng sariling team natin dito guys, and mag-join dito sa Colosseum. Ayan. So balikan natin dito and hanap tayo guys. Actually, marami nang nagjo-join kasi dito guys eh. Actually, we can start naman here, registering here. Lalagay lang natin yung ating username. Ayan, tapos ko-connect natin guys actually. Ayan, game connected. So, ko-connect mo lang guys yung username mo sa loob mismo ng game. Tapos yung team natin. You can select team or we can create team naman din. Ayan, so kung meron ka ng team, that's good. Pero kung wala pa, you can create team naman like NFT Ninja. So, ayan, we can create team dito. And we can click here guys, copy. Tapos we can send naman this sa mga friends natin. So, we can select player here. Ayan, so makikita natin dito. We can select player. And then clan or community kung meron naman tayo. And then register with my team. So, ito lang gagawin natin dito guys. And possible na pwede tayong manalo dito. As you can see here guys, ayan. So, this is ML guys kung meron kang skills ng ML. So, ayun, you can join here. So, marami pa silang available dito guys actually. Yan, upcoming tournaments. Tignan natin guys. Starts in 2 weeks. So, hopefully, pwede pa tayong mag-join dito. Ayan, so, konti pa lang nag-join dito guys. Yung kailangan nila dito na mag-join is 320 players daw. So, ayan, 10 pa lang nakapag-register. And yung kanilang end of registration is June 7. So, mag-start na kayo guys. Actually, napaka-goods naman din dito. Maganda rito kasi nga, kikita tayo dito guys. Kahit wala tayong ginagawa or wala tayong investment pala. So, gagawin lang natin, mag-join sa mga tournaments dito. Kikita na tayo ng XP. Kikita pa tayo dito guys ng rewards naman din. Ayan. As you can see here. Mga tournaments, yung mga quizzes. Ayan guys, yung mga quiz nila dito, quest guys, or quest pala guys. Ayan, so we can join here, yung mga telegrams nila, ayan. And then yung mga announcements naman din nila andito. So ayan guys, napaka-goods nito. Ayan guys, actually napakaganda nito. Kung gusto nyo sumali dito, join na lang kayo. Ang link nito ay nasa description natin. And kung nagustuhan nyo guys yung review natin regarding dito sa Coliseum, just don't forget to leave a like and mag-subscribe na rin kayo. So yun lang guys, and see you sa ating next na video.